Milton here with another video short from the Milton Spells workbench. I'm going to show you how to pair a second chime and doorbell button with an existing chime and doorbell that I've showed you how to pair previously in a previous video. So we'll begin by holding the mode button until the blue light starts flashing on this second warehouse doorbell system. We're going to select the first sound for this one. And we'll go ahead and hold the mode button down 3 to 4 seconds to accept that. And it's going to ring this chime, and this bell. And this one will ring the other two with a different sound.